In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Huion drivers on Mac. So let's get started. Now, first of all, you have to go to your web browser and search up Huion driver. Okay, just go ahead and search that up, and then you're gonna see the download center. So just go ahead and click on that link. Now from here, you first have to choose your product category. So let's say I have a pen tablet and I can choose my series as Inspiroi, and a product name is literally this. It can be anything, yeah. Now here you're gonna see drivers for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now obviously in my case, I'll download the Mac driver. So just go ahead and click on download and click on enter. Now obviously you're gonna wait for the driver to install, okay? But the important thing is that if you've ever installed a previous Huion driver or another tablet driver, for example a Wacom, uninstall it first. Multiple drivers can conflict and cause the tablet to malfunction, okay? So after uninstalling, restart your Mac before installing the new driver that you have just done, basically, yeah? Now you also have to make sure that you do not connect the tablet yet, and then you have to just go ahead and open the driver you just downloaded. Then you're gonna drag this onto the applications, obviously, and you're gonna wait for it to copy to applications. Now that is done, I can just go ahead and close this, and I can go to Launchpad and search up Huion tablet and click on that. Click on open, and perfect, okay? Now obviously you'll also have to give it some permissions, so let's go ahead and give all those permissions. So go to system settings. From here you have to head over to privacy and security, and from here you have to go to accessibility first of all, and you have to give Huion tablet the permission from here. You also have to scroll down to input monitoring and give it permission from here. Obviously you first have to add the device by clicking on the plus. Once you add it, you have to give it permission there as well. Then obviously you can connect your tablet, so you should plug in your Huion tablet or pen display via USB. Then you have to open this app, and then you should see device connected instead of the disconnected here. And from here you can set the pressure sensitivity, buttons, working area, and all of that stuff. So yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.